Today we can discuss numerical integration. So here also we will be given a set of data points x0, y0, x1, y1, etc. up to x and yn of a function, say y is equal to f of x. So we will be given a set of x and y values corresponding to the function y is equal to f of x, but this function is not explicitly known, and we have to calculate the definite integral I is equal to integral a to b f of x dx or integral a to b y dx. So this is the problem, numerical integration. So for this we can again consider Newton's forward interpolation formula, and we will be deriving a general expression for numerical integration based on Newton's forward interpolation formula. So we know that if we are given a set of values x0, y0, x1, y1, etc. up to x and yn, then we may assume the form of the function y as equal to So using Newton's interpolation formula, we may write, the question is we have to find out what is I is equal to integral a to b y dx or f of x dx. Now we can divide this interval a b into a number of equal intervals. So, we can divide this as x is equal to a, then x1, n data points such that x2, etc. up to x is equal to x0, this is xn is equal to b. So we can divide this interval into n equal intervals or n data points x0 to xn d. Then according to Newton's forward interpolation formula, we know that y is equal to y0 plus p into del y0 plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube y0 plus etc. 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 Now we will be substituting this in the expression for the integral, that is I becomes integral a to b y0 plus p into del y0 plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y0 into dx. We know that p is equal to x minus x0 by h, or x is equal to x0 plus p times h. So from this we may write dx as equal to, dx will be equal to dp into h. So instead of this dx, we may write it as h into dp, or h may be taken outside, and instead of this dx I can write dp. See, because x is x0 plus ph and dx is equal to dp into h. So instead of dx I can write h into dp. Then what happens to the interval? This interval is from a to b. Now I can write this as equal to x is p is having n values from 0 to n. So I can write this as equal to the limits changes from 0 to n. We are having n values because we have divided this AB interval into n equal values starting from 0 to n. Now let us integrate with respect to p, so that this is equal to h into the first term is y0p plus next term p square by 2 into del y0 plus next term p square, this term is p square minus p. So when we integrate this, p cube by 3 minus p square by 2 divided by 1 by 2 into del square y0 plus the next term, this is p cube minus 3p plus 2p. So this becomes p raised to 4 by 4 minus 3p square by 2. Sorry, this is 2p square, p cube minus 3p square. So this is 3p cube by 3 plus 2p square by 2 into 3 factorial, that is 1 by 6 into del cube y0. Now that becomes we have to apply the limits from 0 to n. The limits are 0 to n. So this becomes I is equal to h into first term n y0 or y0 n plus n square by 2 del y0 plus next term n cube by 3 minus n square by 2 into 1 by 2 into del square y0 plus next term n raised to 4 by 4 minus 3n cube or minus n cube minus n square into del cube y0 divided by 6. So we have applied the limits. Now we may simplify this. So n is common in all the terms, so that we can take n outside, so that this becomes n times h into y0 plus n del y0 by 2 plus here this is n square, we may take the this is 3, sorry, this is 2n square minus 3n by 6 into 2, so 12 into del square y0 plus here also when n is taken outside, so this becomes n cube minus 4n square plus 4n divided by 24 del cube y0. Now we may rearrange this as n times h into y0 plus n into del y0 by 2 plus n into 2n minus 3 divided by 12 into del square y0 plus this again n into, this may be written as n minus 2 the whole square, n minus 2 the whole square into del cube y0 by 24. So our left hand side is integral h0 to to x and y dx is equal to this much. So this is the general expression or general formula for numerical integration.